Hello everybody! Okay, let's just talk about the elephant in the room. I haven't posted in like 2 months. Sorry. No, I am. I'm really sorry. It's been a long time since I've posted, and to be honest, quite a lot has happened over the last couple of months, which has led me not to post as much as I normally would do. If you've been watching my recent videos, then you know I actually got a new job. And with that new job, obviously, was full-time work. And working full-time is time-consuming, to say the least. In all honesty, I haven't had enough time to really sit down, plan videos, and really think about how I want my YouTube channel to go going forward. I haven't really been able to really produce any new videos or get any good ideas going because I've been so focused on this new job. But can I just say, this new job is going really, really well. I'm so excited. I'm really glad I've taken it, and honestly, it's really making me a lot happier being back in full-time employment. I mean, it was great freelancing. I enjoyed it. I learned a lot, but I think I've discovered that I'm the type of person that needs to have a regular wage to be confident and happy. And something that I've learned over the last few months is something called toxic side hustle. I don't know the rest of it, but it's something to do with toxic side hustles and toxic productivity and all of that sort of stuff. And I felt like I fell into a trap where if I wasn't super busy and super productive, then I wasn't really doing anything, or I wasn't really contributing or really getting my goals done and all of that sort of stuff. And okay, yeah, if I would have sat back, done nothing, I probably wouldn't have got the job that I'm in. Actually, I know I wouldn't have, because I wouldn't have been applying, I wouldn't have been doing anything, I probably would have just waited for things to come to me. But it's all the other laid on stuff that actually contributes to toxic productivity, because if you always feel like you've got to be productive, sometimes it's really off-putting to do anything. Anyway, so I kind of just wanted to come on because I am going to start filming videos again. I am going to come up with a better plan. I've actually already done a kind of weekly calendar plan of what I'm going to do, because I always work best when there's a plan, and I always work best when I've got a bit of structure. So I've made a plan. Obviously, I'm working 9 to 5:30 in the week. I get an hour's lunch break. In them hours lunch breaks, I may be filming or doing bits and bobs for YouTube. I'm going to do 2 different things. On occasion, I'm going to do vlogs and catch-ups and things like that. So if I do go on inspiration trips, if I do go on supplier visits and all of that sort of stuff, I'll bring you along so you can see it. But I'm also going to carry on doing my help, advice, tips, tricks, all of that sort of stuff about how to become fashion designers, how to get into the world of fashion and all of that sort of stuff. So I'm still going to be doing all of that stuff. But I also want to do like a series of videos where I actually delve into the history of fashion a little bit. So let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. Talking about different designers, how they got to where they are. Do you know what I mean? We can talk about loads of different brands and just go into depth about how they got to where they are, which I think would be really interesting if you were into fashion. Hopefully you would like that too. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if that's something that you'd like to watch or something that you'd be interested in. But yeah, so if you can't tell, I am at home. I actually came home at the beginning of last week because I had my 3rd and final wedding of August. Oh my god, August has been so crazy. Let me show you around a little bit. So first things first, my parents have actually redone this room. I know it doesn't look like it because it was white before, but they have repainted everything, and they've also got a new TV. I think that's like 42 inches. They've got a new divan bed and pillows and all of that sort of stuff. They've also got a new chest of drawers, a massive mirror here, and then a bedside table as well. So they've redone this room, so it's actually got more floor space here, which is good. And then they've also done the little bedroom. So I thought I'd show you into my parents' spare bedroom, because this is where I've kind of set up work when I'm working from home. Obviously, lovely background. But yeah, my parents actually bought me a little desk so I can work on, and this is where basically I have been working when I'm at home. Oops. And it's just actually really good because it's a separate room. I can close that door. It's only a little bedroom. It's the box room, so it's not very big, but it's perfect when I'm working from home because I can shut that door, my parents can come and go as they please, my mum's semi-retired, my dad is a courier, so sometimes he comes home at lunch and all of that sort of stuff, and if I'm working downstairs in the living room or in the kitchen or in the conservatory or anything like that, then I can get disturbed very easily and it's very difficult to keep on track and make sure I'm concentrating. So when they were doing up my other bedroom and this bedroom, they decided to put a little desk in here, so at least I've got somewhere to come and work and actually get on with bits and bobs. So that's really nice. And actually, I mean, maybe I can start filming YouTube videos in here or wherever. I mean, I don't mind that background, do you? I think it's quite fun. So as I said, over the last few months it's been crazy busy working at I've actually nearly been there 3 months. It's my 3-month review on the 11th of September. So what, that's 10 days away? So 3 months has just flown by, and I have done some little videos catching you up, doing some bits and bobs in the office, taking you on work like sort of inspiration trips and things like that. But it's been really difficult to kind of figure out the right rhythm and get myself into a better routine because also I'm still doing my bar job. Now, I don't really want to give up my bar job because I actually really love it. It's a really nice environment to work in, but maybe I just need to scale that back a bit so I can concentrate on other things. But again, it goes back to that toxic productivity. I like to be busy, but sometimes I definitely need to take people's advice and just have a rest. But anyway, don't want to give up the bar job, don't want to cut back on YouTube, I want to carry on working full time, and I want to be doing some side hustles and things, but something's got to give, and I'm not sure what that'll be yet, but it'll be something. Now, August has been super busy. I have been to a birthday party and weddings pretty much every single weekend of August. The first week was a birthday party, the second week was a wedding in Ireland, the second week was a wedding in the Midlands, and the third one was another wedding in the Midlands. So it's been really busy, and September's going to be just as busy for me. I'm going to be going up and down the country like 3 or 4 times. It's going to be crazy because I'm going to stay here at my parents till around the 7th. Then I'm going to London to do a shopping day with one of my suppliers. Then I've got to go to my office in Rugby, and that's for a summer party, so that's quite fun. But then I've also got to come back to Stoke for that weekend because I'm going to a 50th anniversary party. Then I've got to go back to the office, then I've got to go back to London for a couple of weeks, and then I'm back in Stoke-on-Trent by the end of September because I am helping one of my best friends plan their wedding, so we're going to go to a couple of wedding fairs, which should be really fun. Let me know again in the comments if you want me to take my camera and record a few bits on that, if you're interested about weddings in the UK, all of that. But obviously, I am predominantly a fashion channel, but I do like to show other areas of my life as well. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. Also, guys, I've not been very well over the past couple of weeks. Now, I've done 3 or 4 different lateral flow tests, so it's not COVID, so don't worry about that. It's just a cold, and I've been feeling really sorry for myself, but it's fine. My ears are still a little bit blocked, but I am on the mend. I'm getting a lot better. In conclusion, this video was just a nice little catch-up video where we could have a little chat, so you can understand where I've been for the past 2 and a bit months, why I haven't been posting, and what I'm going to be planning on doing going forward. But don't worry, I am going to be posting fashion related content going forward. I'm going to be posting some vlogs, I'm going to be posting loads of little bits, so you know, I just need to make sure I'm consistent and I'm planning, because I really want the content that I'm putting out there to be right for you guys, and you know, to actually be of value to my audience. You know, my vlogs are fun, they're easy to do, they're easy to edit and all of that sort of stuff, but I don't know whether they add a lot of value to the channel, if that makes sense, because a lot of my most popular videos are how-to videos, or you know, what are the best universities, or 5 apps for fashion designers, you know, or how to do tech packs and all of that sort of stuff. So it's very much like informational videos that you guys like, but then I also like to do the vlogs, and it's nice to interact with you guys through the vlogs as well. But you know, yeah, overall guys, I think that's it for today's video. I think I'm gonna leave it there. I've waffled on for long enough, and especially because this is just like meant to be a little catch-up video. but a lot has been going on. Anyway, if you are excited for my content going forward and you want to see more how-to videos, how to get into fashion, more drawing videos, and more vlogs in general, then let me know in the comment section below what you would want to see most of, and I'm going to start posting more regularly, probably not twice a week like I was, but definitely once a week. As usual on a Thursday. Alright guys, I've definitely waffled on for long enough. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really does help my channel out. Alright, see you later.